I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make time distortions appear. Time distortion, also known as time dilation, is a fascinating concept from physics, where time can literally pass at different rates for different observers. It's not science fiction. It's a fundamental aspect of our universe, deeply rooted in Albert Einstein's groundbreaking theories of relativity. We'll explore the two primary ways this incredible phenomenon can be observed and even created in our reality. One major way to experience time distortion is through gravity. The stronger a gravitational field, the slower time passes. This is called gravitational time dilation. For instance, clocks on Earth's surface run ever so slightly slower than clocks on satellites orbiting hundreds of miles above. Imagine a clock near a supermassive black hole. It would tick incredibly slowly compared to a clock far away, demonstrating a profound difference in the passage of time. The second way to observe time distortion is through velocity. The faster an object moves, the slower time passes for that object relative to a stationary observer. This is known as special relativistic time dilation. If you were to travel near the speed of light, say 99% of it, time for you would slow down dramatically. Even astronauts on the International Space Station, moving at 17,500 miles per hour, experience this effect, aging a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. Time dilation isn't just theoretical, it has vital practical applications. Global Positioning System, or GPS, satellites are a perfect example. Their atomic clocks experience both gravitational and velocity time dilation. Without precise adjustments for these effects, GPS systems would accumulate errors of approximately 10,000 meters, or over 6 miles, every single day. This real-world application highlights how fundamental time distortion is to modern technology and our understanding of the cosmos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.